community champion is someone who values the role they play. They're also willing to shape, influence, and help others grow in a positive manner. I believe it's an individual who uses his talent, treasure, experience, and influence to help others.
I'm the founder of Soulcial Kitchen and the president of the Food is Love Foundation. Prior to entering the hospitality industry, had a blessed career in the military, where I got to lead around the world, most notably leading NATO's efforts in Afghanistan. My grandparents owned a restaurant outside of Paris, and when I was young, my summer job would be to go there and work in the restaurant. From the time I was 13 to 17, I learned the most important skills that there are, which is about how to connect with people, how to be able to form friendships, how to always try to find common ground. And so Soulcial Kitchen is really just a manifestation of Holly and I's desire to serve our community in a different kind of way, using innovation, love, and compassion. We've seen the traditional ways of trying to service food insecurity are insufficient. What if we could find a way to financially incentivize those who are already in the restaurant industry to be able to serve those who are hungry? Give them hot food, give them better food, and now you've created a win-win cycle. We've created an incentive system that involves food trucks and restaurants to pay them to deliver dignity on demand, anytime, anywhere, for free. When you see the joy and you are there simply for the person on the other side of the window, regardless, they may have nothing in that moment, but they know that in that moment they are special, it just creates magic. When we go out and we are selfless and we lift and put others in front of ourselves, and when we do things out of love and compassion, great things happen.